Hi all. So I've gotten a lot of comments from people who are unable to find the Robert Blackburn article that we had to read for our first seminar. So the reason I didn't include the link to the article is because we have to develop those skills ourselves to find them. So as I like to say, I'm not here to give you a fish. I am here to teach you how to fish. Because if you're going to be a solicitor or a barrister or anyone doing any kind of research whatsoever, you're going to need to be able to figure out how to find these sources yourself. So these are skills that we need to develop. These research skills in finding the sources are as important as our understanding of the sources themselves. So I'm going to show you how you can find this source using the library homepage. So this is, hopefully you can see this on the screen. Here is the library homepage, and you have this find it at BHAM kind of search box here. So the article is in the 2015 volume 36 of the Statute Law Review. So we're going to do a quick search here for Statute Law Review. So I'm just going to type in Statute Law Review. Now, the reason I put it in inverted commas is that's me telling the search engine to just look for this phrase Statute Law Review. If I didn't have it in inverted commas, if I had it like this, that would pull up every single result that includes statute and law and review, but not necessarily in that order. By putting it in like this, I guess it'll tell me just specifically statute law review. So if I hit enter now, that's just going to be telling it to do the search. And as you see, the first result that comes up here now is an e-journal. So that means it's a virtual journal. And if I click on this link, I can see it online. This here below link is telling me the shelf that I can find it on in the library, because physical journals do still exist. But we only want the e-version, is absolutely fine. So if I click on view online, this screen is going to pop up, and this screen is telling me all the different databases that I can find it that has access to the statute law review. So Lexis is and LexisNexis, these two here are ones that are very important for studying law. Another one is Westlaw, but that's not available here. But I'm just going to use this one here, Hein Online, because this is also quite an important one. It normally has quite a US focus, but it has some ones relevant to us too. So if I just click on Hein Online, now I'm looking. So here's all the access to the statute law review, all the different editions. Now I know from the reference that I've been given that I need the 2015 edition, which is volume 36. So if I come up here, I can see 2016 volume 36. If I click on the plus, and I know the page number, I know that it's the first one. So if I scroll down here, I can see that this is the article I'm looking for, Enacting a Written Constitution for the UK. And if I click on that on page one, then you can see that the article is going to pop up. This is the article that we have to read. And if I click on this button up here, I can download a section. So that's how you use the library website to find a source. And as I've said, these sources and your ability to find them are as important as your actual understanding of the content. These are the research skills we're trying to develop in you. Okay, hopefully that has been of a help to you, and hopefully you have access to the article now, and you'll be able to read it, and you'll be able to come to class very well prepared next week. Thank you.